Welcome to the world of Deborah's. Today we are going to see some exclusive collections. If you are interested with any of the collections, kindly take a screenshot of that, send it to us via WhatsApp, FB Messenger, and reach us to get the availability and book your sarees. As you all are aware, we are having a promo sale going on for 10% flat discount on all our collections. Let's see the first saree. This is a beautiful ikat silk, pure silk saree, a bright yellow with a wonderful black combination. Here is the pallu of the saree with a jari weave. This is how the saree flows. Here we go with our next saree. It's an ikat soft silk saree with a beautiful peachish color with a copper sulphate blue. You can see the pallu of the saree. It's a beautiful copper sulphate blue. It's a mild peach color. You look very elegant in the saree. Throughout the saree, you will see the ikat tie and dye pattern. It has got a plain blue color blouse as the pallu. And this saree also cost 7,995. You can avail 10% discount from this price. The next saree is a beautiful tea blue with a classical pink soft silk saree with a tissue border. The saree has got a tissue border throughout and it has got a beautiful pink jari pallu. This is how the saree pallu is, and the saree, throughout the saree, it has got silver color jari as well as a gold color motifs throughout the saree. The blouse is similar to the pallu, pink color with a tissue jari border. This saree is priced at 7,950 and you can avail 10% discount from this pricing. Let me repeat the price, it is 7,950. The next saree is a beautiful purple color with a dual shade pink pallu. This is called a 1000 putta saree. This is how the saree flows. It's a borderless pattern. It's a pure soft silk saree. It has got the pallu color blouse, plain blouse. Hope you can view the blouse. It's a pallu color blouse. It's a very pretty color combination. This saree is also priced at 7,950. Next saree is a beautiful checks pattern. It's a dual shade orange with a dual shade green combination. It's a very pretty color combination. Throughout the saree you will find small checks and alternative checks are having motifs inside. It looks very pretty, and the pallu is a dual green pallu and the blouse is also with checks, dual green blouse. The saree has got beautiful golden jari piping throughout the saree. You can see it's throughout the saree it flows. It's a very pretty combination. This saree is also priced at 7,950. You can avail the 10% discount until 8th of March. Our next saree is a beautiful peacock blue with a classical pink combination. The saree has got beautiful small motifs throughout the saree. The mango motifs, one in gold jari and one in silver jari. It flows throughout the saree. And with a classical pink pallu combination, it looks very rich And the blouse is also the pallu color plain blouse. It's a very rich and a rare combination. This saree is also priced at 7,950. You can avail the 10% discount. The next saree is a beautiful purple with dual pink shade combination. It's similar to the one which we saw earlier. It has got a beautiful gold and silver motifs throughout the saree, small mango motifs, and it has got a very rich pink pallu, dual shade with a plain pink blouse. This saree is also priced at 7,950. You can avail the 10% discount. Next saree is a beautiful bottle green color. It's again the check pattern with a orange color pallu. This saree has got beautiful golden piping throughout the saree. This is how the saree is. Throughout the saree you will find the checks, and alternative checks has got beautiful motifs. Here is the pallu of the saree. It's very rich, and you will find the blouse with the checks pattern, the same pallu color blouse. This saree is also priced at 7,950. You can avail the 10% discount in this period. Here we go with our next saree. It's a beautiful pink, dual shade pink with a sky blue color pallu. You can see the richness of the pallu. And it has got the same pallu color plain blouse. It's a pure handloom soft silk saree, and throughout this saree you will find classical motifs in silver jari and in gold jari. You can see the motifs all around the saree. This saree is also priced at 7,950. You will get a 10% discount if you book. Our next saree is a beautiful thousand butta saree. It's a nice copper sulphate blue with a dual shade pink pallu. It's a borderless pattern. This is the pallu of the saree, and it has got a plain blouse, the same pallu color, and throughout the saree you will find thousand buttas, small floral motifs. It is very elegant and it will look very rich. This saree is also priced at 7,950, and you can avail the current 10% promo sale. The next saree is a beautiful lightweight Kanjivaram saree. It's a pastel pink with a rich royal blue combination. This saree has got very small piping border on both the edges. You can see the small piping two-line jari borders flowing throughout the saree, and the pallu has got vertical lines in royal blue, and the blouse also has got the same pattern as the pallu flows. It has got vertical jari lines throughout the blouse. You can wear it for your office functions, small functions at home. It will look very elegant. This saree is priced at 7,540. You can avail a 10% discount on this saree. Our next saree is a beautiful, it's a dual grey shade. We cannot say it's completely grey. It's a very unique color. It's a hand-picked saree from the weaver. The color is very unique. This saree is very different from the other saris. It has got thread woven motifs running throughout the sari. One side of the border it has got a plain tissue border, and the other side of the sari, the bottom part, has got beautiful motifs along with the temple design running throughout the sari. It has got a very classical pallu. This is the pallu of the sari with a thread woven pattern and the temple design border in it. It has got a plain blouse, plain blue contrast blouse. This is very different color and with a very different combination. This sari is priced at 8,505 and you can avail 10% discount on this amount. The next sari is a beautiful soft silk sari with a pretty mango color combination with a bright blue pallu. This is the pallu of the sari and it has got the same pallu color plain blouse, and the sari has got beautiful mango motifs as how it is in the pallu. You will find big mango motifs and small mango motifs in the pallu. The same manner throughout the sari you will find small mango motifs and the big mango motifs in the sari. Let's see how the pattern flows inside the sari. You can see the big mango motifs as well as the small mango motifs on the adjacent sides. This sari is priced at 8,575. You can avail the 10% discount. Our next sari is beautiful bright blue with a dual shade orange combination. This has got big silver motifs throughout the sari, box pattern throughout the sari, and it has got a rich pallu. It's a dual shade, it's not bright orange but it's a dual shade of orange, and the blouse is also the same color as the pallu. You'll find these big motifs running throughout the sari. It will look very rich when you wear the sari. This sari is also priced at 8,575. You can avail the 10% discount. If you like the sari, take a screenshot, send it to us by WhatsApp or in Messenger and collect your sari. Our next sari is a very pretty peacock color with the big motifs on it. You can see the sari. It has got big round chakra motifs around the sari, and it has got a very rich pallu, the red color. I'll show you how it goes. This is how you can see the closeness of the big motifs, and it has got a very pretty red rich pallu, and the blouse is the same color as the pallu. This is how the sari is. You will find the big chakra motifs even in the backside of the saris. This sari is priced at 8,575 and it's the right time to avail the 10% discount and get this beautiful sari. Our next sari is a pretty red. The beautiful box motifs around the sari, and it has got a very beautiful pallu. It's a cream color pallu of white, and the motifs are like one gold jari pattern and one silver jari pattern around the sari. I'll show you. This is how you'll find big box motifs. It's a very unique pattern weave, golden jari motifs and silver jari motifs alternatively. It's flowing. and it has got a beautiful creamish color pallu, grand pallu, and pallu color blouse, plain blouse. This saree is also priced at 8,575. It's the right time to avail the 10% discount and get this beautiful silk saree. It's a very beautiful navy blue color saree with a thread weave in it. You can see the thread designs. The motifs are weaved in thread pattern, and it has got a very rich bright yellow pallu with a thread weave in it. It's a very classical saree. You will look totally different in a crowd. See, this is how the saree flows. You'll find the floral motifs. It has got multicolored floral motifs around the saree with a rich yellow color pallu in it, and it has got a plain yellow blouse, same as the pallu color. This saree is priced at 8,505. It's 8,505. You can avail the 10% discount and get this beautiful saree. Our next saree is a beautiful turning border saree. I'll explain what is a turning border. It's a beautiful navy blue color. This is called the turning border. You'll find this big, around 1 feet of border flowing throughout the saree. You'll find this border throughout the saree until the end of the pallu. I'll show you the back side also. So this will flow throughout until the pallu. It has got a beautiful parrot green rich pallu, and the blouse is a plain color parrot green blouse. It's a very different saree, and throughout the saree you will find gold motifs of Tilagam pattern. It's one of its kind turning border. This saree is priced at 8,505. It's the right time to avail the 10% discount and collect this saree. Next is a very classical black color saree with a temple border design in it with a teal color pallu. This saree is very different and unique pattern. The big temple border with this gold and silver jari will be on your first pleat. It will look very rich and very elegant. The saree, one side this border flows, and the other side it's a plain saree. Black with teal color combination is very elegant. You can see the richness of the temple border design flowing, one in silver, one in gold. And it has got a plain teal color blouse. They have given temple designs for the sleeves. This saree is priced at 8,520. Let me repeat the price. It's 8,520. With a 10% discount, this saree will be yours. We'd like to show you some unique collections for this summer season. Here is our beautiful kota saree with a cut work embroidery on it. It's a very pretty color for office goers. This is very pretty. This is how the blouse is with the, you will find a cut work embroidery in the sleeves. This saree has got very pretty embroidery works. we do have a similar kota saree. We have more colors. This is a very pretty saree, exclusively for office goers. It has got big floral cutworks throughout the saree. It's a very beautiful navy blue. And we do have Narayanpet cotton sarees. These are Narayanpet cotton sarees, very soft, and it has got big borders on either side. You have different color patterns, the same Narayanpet sarees. Here is the maroon color with a jari border and the purple color with a jari border. These sarees can be gifted for your loved ones, the family who wish to wear cotton, soft cotton. Thank you.